Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to the eastern wing of the Stinkbug Works. This morning, I'm planning on mounting my strut and stuffing tube, and that will establish where I'm eventually going to put the motor. And once I've established that, then the batteries will get laid out and move things around. And with a boat this small, I can move the speed control from here to here and make a huge change in the balance point of this. That's why they had 40 grams. Can you imagine that? They put 40 grams of weight up in the nose. I'm going to put 40 grams of weight up in the nose, but it's going to be like this. That will be my 40 grams of weight. Might as well be useful with the weight. Today is Thursday. And for the longest time, I was thinking 1 week from today is Thanksgiving. But see, I'm old and retired, and I don't pay real close attention to the calendar. To me, Wednesdays and Sundays are the same, except Sundays there aren't as many stores open. But I just realized Thanksgiving is 2 weeks away. You know what that means, don't you? You guys have 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 1, 2, count them. 1, 2 weeks to make your video. All you have to do is 15 laps around 2 buoys, 100 feet apart, and you can win that outrigger I have. I posted the link to it a couple of videos back. I mean, the thing goes like stink. It goes like stink. I had way too much power in it. Anyway, then there's that 3D boat, complete with motor, speed control, servo, everything you need. It's all there, ready to go. Boom. It's ready to go. I would paint it, though. I don't have a whole lot of faith in the way the 3D print goes. It may be slightly porous, and over time, water could get through it, so I would paint it. And then I have a couple other cool prizes I'm going to give away, too. I may make this a prize. I don't know. If it's too much fun, I may keep it as a basher, because, I mean, it's heavy plastic. It could be a fun basher. Anyway, I've mentioned the challenge. Oh, today I'm going to mount this. We'll put this in there. We'll put some nuts on it. We'll get it to fit on this nut plate. We'll epoxy that in. We'll mix up epoxy. I don't know what else I need to epoxy. And then we'll put in the stuffing tube. Cut this to a reasonable length. I mean, geez, it's twice as long as the boat right now, but we'll get that dialed in, and we'll be on our way to making the Miss Seattle the hot rod it should have been all along. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.